Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So you can see that this is my biggest jade plant which I have ever in my home. So you can see its trunk. From its trunk you can have an estimation of its age. It is around 25 to 30 years old and its branches are not so much, okay, because of the fact that it is pruned heavily, okay. With the passage of time, a lot of branches from the mid and upper side used to fall off. As I'm just focusing my cam so that you can see it properly. Now you can see its trunk. Okay, I have also the measuring tapes to show you that its trunk is around 6 inches, okay, 6 inches wide, and its height is maybe up to 3 feet, okay. So now you can see the measuring tape is showing us it is 6 inches wide, that is half feet wide, and its height is let me check properly, it's perfectly 3 feet, okay. It's perfectly 3 feet from the bottom of the stem, okay. Its size from above is not impressive, okay. Its size because of the fact that I used to make around 150 plant from the cuttings of this plant, okay. So you can see its height and its size of the trunk, okay. So you also must know that a lot of people used to call elephant bush as the jade plant, but this is not true, okay. Elephant bush is Crassula, it is Portulaca afra, and the jade plant is Crassula Ovata. So I am just showing you it from all the sides so you can see it from a rotating point. Okay, now I am just rotating my cam and you can see it properly that how old it is. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.